Google launched a new program called Shopping Actions that will allow users to buy items through Google Assistant and shopping ads and search results. In Google Search, the Google Express shopping service and the Google Assistant on home devices and mobile devices, shoppers can now save their payment credentials and make purchases to retailers with instant payment. In return, retailers will give Google a share of the profits from each purchase, which is different from the usual advertising payments that retailers make on Google for sponsored lists. Retailers will only pay Google when sales are made. For example, you can now search Google for a scented candle, see a list of a brand in Target, and then add it to your Google Express cart. Then, you can decide to order aluminum foil in your Google Home. Both items will be added to the same cart and can be purchased together through a payment stream hosted on Google, the company says. The program is open to retailers of any size. It was officially announced today, but some retailers such as Target and Ulta have been testing it for months.